For this practice test, we will concentrate on styling 3 or more authors and styling titles of various sources. So the following professors wrote a scholarly journal article titled Daily Implications of Felt Love for Sleep Quality. These are the professors. How would you style their names according to MLA? Choose the correct answer. Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? If you chose C, you are right. The formula for citing 3 or more authors according to MLA is last name, author's last name, the very first one that you see on the research paper, last name or any other source, last name, comma, first name, comma. So the N period is for the middle initial. So it's last name, comma, first name, comma, ETAL, period. Keep this in mind. And here is the formula according to MLA. For question 2, which sentence shows the correct in-text or parenthetical citation according to MLA for a source written by 3 or more authors? Here's the first choice. Here is the second choice. Which one do you think is the correct one? If you chose the second one, this one is incorrect because the author's name is mentioned in the sentence. The sentence does a good job because it indicates she's not the only one who wrote these words. There are colleagues who also contributed. However, since her name is mentioned in the sentence, it cannot be mentioned in the parentheses as well. If you chose the first one, you are right because the first one mentions her name, mentions colleagues, or you could mention co-authors or cohorts. You have the signal verb followed by a comma. You have the last word followed by the quotation mark with the page number inside of the parentheses, and every sentence ends with a period at the very end. I have the explanation written out here if you want to pause and read it. Take a look at question 3. Which sentence shows the correct in-text or parenthetical citation according to MLA for a source written by 3 or more authors? Is it the first one? Or is it the second one? If you chose the first one, you are right. You are only going to include the author's last name in the parenthetical citation, ETAL, period. There is no need to include her first name in the parenthetical citation. Last name, ETAL to indicate everybody else, the page number, and the period goes all the way at the very end. Now, for the very same source, the article they wrote is titled Daily Implications of Felt Love for Sleep Quality. The article, the scholarly journal article, that has been extensively researched. It's found in the American Journal of Psychology. Is the article contained or is it a container? If you said it's contained, you are right, because the article is a shorter form verb. It is housed or contained inside of the journal. The journal, whose title is the American Journal of Psychology. How would you style the scholarly journal article, Daily Implications of Felt Love for Sleep Quality? Would you choose A with the quotation marks or B, the one that is italicized? Okay, so for this one, please ignore that I have highlighted the one that's italicized as the right one. It's actually A. The scholarly journal article should be enclosed in quotation marks, so B is not right. A is the right answer. A contained article is enclosed in quotation marks. I ask here, I say that this article, enclosed in quotation marks, it's found in the American Journal of Psychology, and that this journal is found in a database called JSTOR. So, is the journal a container? Is the database a container? What do you think? And the answer is yes for both of them. The journal contains many short form articles. That's why it's a container. The database contains many journals, so both of them are containers. So how would you style both of them? The title of the journal and the title of the database. You italicize both of them because containers are italicized.